When sharpening knives, we want to have a flat surface to work on. This can be a problem because after some time, the stone becomes deteriorated unevenly, as you can see from here. The central part of the stone is usually deteriorated more than the far sides. The reason is simple because while sharpening a knife, depending on the technique that we use, we usually tend to focus in the middle. So we stay longer in the middle, we press in the middle. This is the result. How do we take care of this? It's really simple. We take the stone that we checked is not flat anymore. As you can see a hole in the middle. It's not flat. We take this stone and we draw lines on it, vertical and horizontal. Once we've done this, we can proceed to place our stone and the flattening stone in the water. We're just gonna let it sit there for a couple of minutes and then we will start flattening. Once the stones are ready, I place the blue stone on a stone holder and then I take the black stone and I rub it on top. What happens is that I will slowly remove all the black lines. Once all the lines are removed, the stone is gonna be perfectly flat. So let's do it. Let's see how long it takes. I'm pressing on the stone and I start to remove the lines on top and at the bottom because, as you remember, the central ones are lower because the stone is dished. So I keep my stone wet and I continue flattening it. I try to press evenly on the black stone and just keep this motion going. I can still see lines in the middle, so I continue. The lines seem to be removed, so we can just wash the stone and check if it's flat. Once done, you can check the stone and see that the blue side of the stone is finally flat. Always remember to apply a lot of pressure, to wash the stones frequently, and to keep water on your stones. It's really important to put both of the stones in water before flattening. My recommendation is to flatten your stones frequently, maybe every 2 or 3 sharpening sessions. Of course, it depends on how many knives you are sharpening, but it's not gonna take this long. If you do it just every sharpening session, is gonna take maybe not even 1 minute to do, because I've sharpened many knives on this stone and I didn't flatten it in the meantime. That's why it took longer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or you need help with anything, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for watching.